Page 6, number 3, uses the note A. The note A is on the second space. Thumb, first and second fingers. Left hand on top, right hand, thumb on the back to help balance it. The A should sound like this. If it doesn't sound like that, check to make sure you have the holes covered. Make sure you're not blowing too hard. Number 3, counting the rhythm. Watch your quarter rest that it comes up. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now play that rhythm using the note A. Thumb, first, second finger. 1, 2, ready, go. See it? Rewind it, play it over several times.